Now let's start chapter 17, the Revolt of 1857, or you can say the First War of Independence or the first struggle for freedom. Now, what is the meaning of revolt? Revolt means to fight against injustice or to fight against something wrong. And this revolt is that time when the Britishers used to rule over us. But before the Britishers entered in our country, before they came in our country, India was ruled by Rajas or kings. India was a very rich country and it was ruled by Rajas or kings. It was a very rich country and famous all over the world for its wealth, precious jewels, and its resources. Now, what is wealth? Wealth means large amount of money. And what are precious jewels? Precious jewels means very valuable jewelry which is made of gold, silver, diamond, etc. And resources here means raw materials. Now, what are raw materials? Raw materials are those things that we need to use, that we need to make new things. Raw materials are those things that we need to make new things. For example, students, you must have eaten the potato chips. We all are very fond of eating potato chips. Have you ever think how the potato chips are made? Potato chips are made with the help of potatoes. So here potatoes are the raw material for making potato chips. Likewise, India was also well known for its cash crops. Remember students, in 4th class we have discussed about the food crops and the cash crops. Now what are food crops? Food crops are the crops that we grow for ourselves or that we grow to be used by us. And what are cash crops? Cash crops are the crops that are grown to be exported to other countries or the crops that we grow to sell to other countries to earn money. That are cash crops. Now, what were some cash crops at that time? Spices, cotton, silk, tea, and indigo. Spices are the things that we add in our vegetables to make them more tasty. Some spices are salt, red chili, black pepper, turmeric, etc. Now, what is a cotton? Cotton is a crop. Silk is a fabric that we get from the silkworm. Silkworm is an insect from which we get silk. Now, what is an indigo? Indigo is a bluish purple colored dye that we use to make the clothes brighter than before. If we mix the indigo in water and dip our clothes in that, then it will make the clothes brighter than before. So, indigo is a bluish purple colored dye used to make the clothes brighter than before. Due to all these reasons, due to wealth, due to precious jewels, due to so much of raw materials, due to cash crops, India was called a golden sparrow. There was a great demand of these cash crops in the European markets, or you can say foreign markets. Due to all these reasons, India was called golden sparrow earlier.